What's going on, everybody? Today we are doing a hard reset on a TCL 50XE. Before we start, just so you guys know, we're going to be posting a ton more phones for hard resets and teardowns. So if there's anything you want to see in particular, just drop a comment and we'll try to get those up first. As always, if you could share, follow, like, do what you got to do, we'd always appreciate it. Other than that, let's just get right into it. As a reminder, always when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it's going to get deleted, so keep that in mind before you start. So let's get right into it. Let's see. This one's got a pattern. We don't know what the pattern is, so we'll turn off the phone first. So you got the power button right here. You got the volume up and volume down. Let's turn this off. This one requires volume up and power to be hit at the same time to get the power off menu to come down. Once the phone is turned off, you want to hold your volume down and power button at the same time. I'll try to do it from this angle so you guys can kind of see it a little bit better. Holding volume down first, and now I'm hitting power. You can let go of power once the TCL logo comes up. And that brings us right to our reset. And this one's kind of short, which is nice. You use your volume up and down to scroll, and your power buttons to select. So if you want to scroll to factory data reset, and you hit power button for enter. And want to confirm again, hit power button again. Now the phone is resetting. It's all done, and now we can either reboot or power off. We'll reboot it, so we'll hit the power button again, and just like that, we did a factory reset on a TCL 50XE. If you guys found this helpful, like I said, if you could drop a like, comment, share, we'd appreciate all of that, or follow. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.